Hi, my name is Ryan Wong. I am the Science and Design teacher in Kangzhou International School in Taiwan.
I'm primarily teaching grade 7 and 8 students in our school. Our school is committed to providing an education which allows each student to develop his or her full being in all areas of human development: academic, physical, emotional, spiritual, and social, to interact as critical and compassionate thinkers, and to become responsible members of the global society. It also aims to achieve this through the challenging, comprehensive, and balanced curriculum-based education system and student-centered teaching approach, which emphasizes on traditional values. I've chosen Activity 1 of Phase 2, the Stools Challenge. The objective is to create a stool from recycled materials that shows Taiwan's cultures in their design. The material can be used from everyday materials that is not being used anymore. The main purpose of this is to create collaboration and clear communication with one another. Students learn to connect the importance of knowing and being responsible in their everyday life. What are the implications of the actions in terms of environmental impacts? Collaboration and communication is vital to create a good solution to show the design purpose. This is an example of their presentation slides where they describe their stool's purpose. They also listed down the materials that they have used and then give the step-by-step process in which the creation of the stools have been given. The connection of the Taiwan's culture for the stools were also described, and then finally they also express their feelings and learning throughout the design process.
In the Stools Challenge, I learned about how to cooperate with each teammate. Even though making a stool may sound easy, however, we still need to go through the process of planning, designing. Therefore, the collaboration between teammates play an essential role in this situation. I learned about how a team may have different roles for each one. For instance, one may be the leader to organize all thoughts, or the designer to give different feedbacks. No matter which role one plays, all members are crucial to the whole team. Without one, we may not be able to finish our stool.
The way our team collaborates is that Sean will bring all the materials since he have a lot of things he don't need. Then we communicate a little bit and decide to split into two groups to work. And making stools makes us global citizens is that we have recycled many things that we think we don't need anymore. So we can use these recycled things to make new products.
Yeah, just cut it into little pieces, okay? So, like, okay.
What is your solution?
Our solution is to clean up the streets by ourselves, make posters, spread our words on social media, for example Instagram, and shouting it out loud to all the people around us.
The National Geographic resource that we used were the upcycle materials and also the arts and craft area. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.